application for the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology CSE 2 UI Assignment 2 Walkthrough Video, the implemented solution presented by Ry Thomas McLean. This implemented solution, in case pineapple, it revolves around four select windows. The command window, which controls open, save and clear of the canvas. The paint toolbox, which is used to paint on the canvas, and it allows the selection of the fill color for the objects, the stroke color for the object's surroundings, and it's also got the stroke size selection, which is the size of the line, and it can draw rectangles, circles, lines, paths, which is the equivalent of drawing in freehand, and it can also write text. And in the very far left hand corner is shown here is the object selection manager. This allows you to group the objects that are drawn onto the canvas, ungroup them, rename the object or painted or drawn items, or delete the object. In the following steps, I'll show you a demonstration of the selected features and walk through sequences that may occur during this example session. The following is an example of drawing a rectangle. The default color will be black. The user may then change the fill color of their next drawn item. This can be done with the fill color button. Here, any color can be chosen from the selection color bar, which in this case we'll be choosing red. The object then can be drawn in that color. For example, the circle. The next example that will be shown is the stroke color. This is the surrounding edge of the object or line. In this case, we will change the stroke color to blue, and we will redraw the rectangle. In case you'll see that the item is still filled, and now there is a blue stroke color around the surrounding box. The next item that we have is line, where we can draw lines. And because we cannot fill a line, we use the stroke color to change the color of the line, as shown here. The next solution that was implemented is the path solution, where this enables the user to draw freehand in any one particular space. The next and final solution from the paint toolbox is the text solution, where we can implement and enter text. Followed by clicking the OK button, the words "Hello World" with the text will appear wherever they deemed satisfactory. The next solution is the stroke size, which is the size of the surrounding stroke or in the line. This can be set by entering a numeric number in the text box and then simply pressing Set Stroke Size. A window will appear saying the stroke set is set to the size that has been entered into the box. Then the user can select a line or any object, and then the stroke will be of that particular size. The next object selection manager window will be demonstrated. This enables the user to select the line or object that has been drawn. In this case, if the user can select, for example, line 5, and a small dashed box will appear around the selected item. This will then enable the user to delete any object that they select on by simply pressing the delete key. The next feature that is enabled, you can also group your objects simply by pressing the shift key and the objects that you wish to group. As you can see, the group has now been grouped together and is now in a drop-down list that can be dropped down. Any object within this group can be renamed. And the particular object is then renamed. The user may also save their document, which is saved in the SVG form in the standard SVG format. In this case, a simple Hello World SVG program will be saved.